Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the stunning features of the HOKY round wood coffee table. A perfect blend of farmhouse charm and modern functionality. This exquisite piece is adorned with real wood veneers that beautifully showcase the natural annual ring patterns, giving it the appearance of a complete tree slice while maintaining the subtly coarse texture of authentic wood. Crafted with solid pine wood legs, this table not only offers eco-friendly durability but also adds a warm, cozy touch to your living space. Its robust design features chunky legs and a sturdy top, allowing it to support an impressive weight of up to 130 pounds, making it both a practical and stylish addition to any room. The table's vintage, simple, and rustic elements seamlessly blend to create a farmhouse style that enhances the character of your living room. Plus, assembling this beautiful piece is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes with all the essential tools and instructions included. If you encounter any quality issues, rest assured that our dedicated support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.